sentimental man or woman to pump me
I will
up.
not
Feeling
add
fussy,
any
walking
extra
in my
water in the whole
Balenciennes,
cooking
trying to bring out the
process. I
fabulous.
just
Cause
maintain
I
the
give a
temperature.
fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup.
After 5 minutes, this is the look of my shashlik. Now I'm going to turning to the opposite side with holding the point of the stick. It already cook in one side, so I'm going to turning to the opposite side and it will cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it will be ready to serve. So this is the look after 5 minutes. So in whole process I'm maintaining the temperature in medium heat. So my chicken is almost cooked and all the vegetable is cooked. So it's little bit soft now, like a